It is a blowing today because it hasn't really been for the past 2 days. Jedi's in the back seat reading the chopper book. I'm doing my best Bob Dylan impression. Lisa Bonet, no basil. Some people's idea of adventure is to climb a mountain on the weekends, but our idea of adventure is to drive a car in the rain with the looming threat of a windstorm. There are people running in the rain. I saw you and him running in the rain. You were holding hands and I'll never be the same. You without me is like the cornflakes without the milk. This is quite literally the calm before the storm, which may very well be a personal metaphor. We don't know how the rest of the day is going to go. You want to fight, hun? No. Look at those power lines buried within the trees. Not good. Someone gonna lose their power real bad. We have found our emergency K2SO pop. Whew. Now, I believe I only need 1, 2 more to complete this checklist. Wet. Wet.
This is what the paparazzi does. And then they trip and fall. I found Jedi a cute little stormtrooper active shirt. I think it's what it's called. It's supposed to protect her from the sun and the UV rays. Yeah, we're gonna go get Baba Ganoush. And then I got a winter sweater for $2.99. And this is so soft. Like, touch it.
Baba Ganoush.
I'm trying to branch out of wearing black. Although I do love black. I love wearing black. I saved quarters just for you. Wanted her to ride this, but there's always somebody on it every time we come.
Jedi is carrying in the Baba Ganoush. Jedi was so excited to eat her Baba Ganoush that she rushed in and almost dropped it on the floor. We're going to be keeping an eye on those trees. That'll let us know just how windy it is. Hopefully every one of them will remain standing. A few hours later and we are finally getting some action around here. Not a lot of action, but it's action nonetheless. Hey! Oh.
Hi.
How are you?
Picture.
Oh, I did take a moving picture of sorts.
TV. Hello. Are you? Hi. Nice. Why is a turtle?
You have a lot of tauntauns. Careful not to touch the lens, baby.
That's
Those are leaves. Daddy took that picture.
little.
Lego.
I see.
Here?
The watch.
Hey, baby. Your finger's in the way.
Picture.
Are you going to take a picture?
I'm fingers. Hello. The Dana. Daddy. Oopsie. Oh. And the onion time here. Here's you. Clean up. Hi, Papa. Shabba. Finish.
Yeah, your fingers are in the way. Thanks for taking a second right now to tap the like button before you watch our next story and for interacting with us across social every day. Your support is always appreciated, and if you'd like for us to keep sharing our daily story with you, we hope you pledge on geekfamilyfun.com. You'll get even more of what you love from us: advanced screenings, behind the scenes, and most importantly, you'll ensure that we can keep doing this for you. See you tomorrow.